Here's the 2009 2010 Mitsubishi Electric City Multi again at my church. I just finished the mass. It's running right now. I can't see the lines. Okay. Model P. Oh, come on. Model PUHY P250Y10-8. It's from 2009. 6th week of 2009. Yes, sir. Wait. Oh yeah, it's from June 2009. So this was installed 2009. We were in Japan 2000. Has a Hager disconnect. So it's a City Multi air conditioner. It's a 20-ton. Let's find the tons. It's R410A, 9.0 kg, and then it's a 20-ton. I don't know where it says the tons. I can't find it. This is an old air conditioner. There's one to the other side. You can check it on my channel. And beads right there. Let me take that off for you. And the lines, I can't see it. Looks like this one's the suction line. It's very big, and this is the liquid line. So, this is the final video of the 2009 2010 Mitsubishi Electric City Multi Air Conditioner. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.